adding up to 10. Question 1. 2 plus 3 equals A. 4. B. 5. C. 6.
Correct answer.
B.
5.
Question 2. 4 5 equals A. 10. B. 9. C. 8. Correct answer. Question 3. 2 plus 7 equals A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. Correct answer. C. 9. Question 4. 5 plus 3 equals A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. Correct answer. C. 8. Question 5. 4 plus 5 equals A. 9. B. 7. C. 8. The best option, A. 9.
Please like, share and subscribe.